Hey there, have I got some exciting news for you. If you used .loop to create, write, sign contracts, then we finally have it ready for you in Docusign. So if you currently use CTME, you can turn this off and not watch it because it does not affect you unless you want to see another way to write and get contracts signed. If you used to use .loop to write your contracts and get contracts signed, that is no longer available, and Docusign now has our Colorado contracts in it. So I'm going to walk you through how to set up your Docusign and then how to get your contracts in Docusign. So Docusign does live within Command, and so you're going to start by connecting your Docusign account with Command, and you will do that by going to your settings. And then you will go down here to applications, connect apps. Now mine's at the top because I've already connected it. So you'll scroll down until you see Docusign to connect. You're gonna click this connect button, like you see here, connect account. You'll click that for Docusign. You'll walk through the process of connecting it. It's just entering in your email address, your username, password, going back to your email, checking that that is you and verifying it, and then you are all set up in Docusign. I would wait about a couple hours, maybe a day, before I go and attempt this next step if I have not yet connected my Docusign account, because it's going to take a little bit of time in the back end to integrate everything. So once you have everything integrated, waited about 24 hours, you get to move to the second step, which is to start using your Docusign account. So Docusign lives within compliance. Compliance lives within opportunities. So I'm going to go to my opportunity. And whatever client I'm creating a contract for, they should be in my opportunity pipeline. If they're not in my opportunity pipeline, I'm going to put them in there. I'm going to say this client and I went on an appointment or going on an appointment. So I'm going to create an opportunity for this client. We'll call them Tech 2. Your opportunity name, if you are working with a listing, should be the listing address. And once you go through compliance, needs to be the listing address. If you have a buyer, obviously you're not going to have that yet. So I'm just going to leave it as this, create opportunity. Now that I am inside of the opportunity, which if you need to know how to go inside the opportunity, you just click on the name of the opportunity. So here's my opportunity. I'm clicking on the blue name. I am inside of the opportunity. Once I'm inside of the opportunity, I'm going to go to documents. This is where compliance lives. Inside of documents, if I am not using CTME and I am using Docusign to create or edit my documents and get signatures, I'm going to go up here to start a transaction. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to choose Docusign. Now I'm in the Keller Williams exclusive Docusign account. When I want to create a contract, I simply just click add. I'm in a room right now, if you look at the top of the screen, which is .loop. We used to call them loops. Okay, it's the same thing. Your room in Docusign is the same thing as a loop in .loop for clarity. So I am in the loop for my number 2 listing, which is what I named my client. And I'm going to go add. I'm going to add a Docusign form. Then I'm going to go add from forms from library. I'm going to select Colorado Real Estate Commission for any of my Colorado documents, or if I'm looking for a document from Damien, I'm going to choose KW 830. Okay, so I'm going to create a contract to buy and sell, let's say, and so I'm going to go to the Colorado Real Estate Commission doc. And then I'm going to find form here, contract to buy and sell. And here we have contract to buy and sell residential. I'm going to check that box, click add, and that form has been successfully added, and there it is. Then I just simply click on the form, and I can begin to edit that form once it loads up, just like you're editing forms in .loop if you chose to do this in .loop previously. So you are good to just start typing away in here, entering in your dates, save, close, any other actions that you need, and just move forward just like you would a loop. So that is exciting news. Start writing up some contracts in here. If you have any questions, comments, concerns about our technology, I'm going to pull up on the screen here the best person to contact when it comes to our technology. We do invest in this partner, and so he is committed to making this his first priority, which is taking care of you and any issues that you have with technology. So if you just follow along on the screen here, right here, our market center, our tech center dude, Scott at scottleroymarketing.com, or if you want to call him, here is his number, 321-236-2568. If you have any needs for technology, Scott Leroy is the expert in all of this. And then, of course, if Scott Leroy is not available or doesn't answer your question, we are here to support you as well. So get going and have a great day.